I've had some good days. I've had some hills to climb. And I've had some weary days. And some lonely nights. But when I look around and I think things over, said all of my good days, they've outweighed my bad days, and I won't complain.